But one of the things that I think we should be very aware of is that in the process of asking questions about first-person testimony and its availability, what we're really doing here is interrogating the question of why we don't have access to more people, why we don't have more access to data, why we don't know the medical outcomes of the people who are there, why the Uyghur ethnicity has been erased from the data sets that are coming out. I think the more important question here is why can't any of us see what is happening there? And what we do have is a number of people who've been extraordinarily brave to come out and talk about their experiences, knowing that their experiences are being erased by the minute. And so what we can do is rely on those as best we can to understand what's happening. And you know, these few people who've talked about their experiences of work suggest that they were unpaid, that they were unwilling, and that they were you know, only able to leave because of some special dispensation, and that other people remained in those factories. And I think we need to take that evidence and the other evidence of the first-person witnesses very seriously.